Okay, so if we have to solve this by elimination, think of the word elimination. What you're trying to do is you're trying to eliminate a variable. If I can get rid of an x or a y, then I can solve it. We can't solve this because we have two unknown variables. But if I eliminate one of them, then I can solve for the other one, right?
Yeah.
So in order to eliminate it, you want to make the coefficients of one of the variables the same.
You can multiply the top
Right.
by 2.
Exactly. So we're going to multiply the top by 2,
Oh
so
my
that becomes
gosh.
2x. I'm going to multiply that by 2, and I'm going to multiply that by 2. So let's rewrite it. So copy this down. So this would be 2x plus, which is
Plus 8y.
good, equals
12.
Right. And now if you multiply one term by anything, you have to do the same thing for everything,
Yeah.
right? You're just writing an equivalent equation right now. And then we have 2x minus 3y equals 1. Now we have to figure out, how do you know that you have to subtract these two equations?
You could get rid of x.
Right. If the signs were opposite, you would have to add them, right?
Yeah.
If the signs are the same, you subtract, because we know that if I have 2x's and I take away 2x's, I result with 0x, which is just 0. So be careful with your signs here. Good, you got it right?
Yeah.
Let's start here. 12 take away 1 is
11.
good. And then did you do
Yeah, that's
positive
11y.
8 take away negative 3? Good.
That's 11y.
Good.
I got the question right also.
Okay, so what's y equal to?
Y is equal to 1.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we know y. Which equation do you want to plug that
I'm
value
gonna plug
into?
it into like the first one.
Sure, because x is already a coefficient of 1. X plus 4 times 1 equals 6. So x plus 4 equals 6. X is equal to 6 take away 4. So x is equal to 2. Therefore, the point of intersection is 2, 1.
That's what I